Number 4. This sound in words used to indicate third person singular. Goes, he goes. Buys, she buys. Loves, it loves. Finds, he finds. Considers, she considers. Seems, it seems. Drags, he drags. Approaches, she approaches. Flies, it flies. Cries, she cries. Tries, she tries. 5. Z sound in words with X in them. Exact, exactly. Examine, examiner. Exist, executive. Listeners, it's wrong to say examine, determine. It should be determine, examine, exaggerate. Xerox, exhausted. Exhibition and executioner should not be pronounced as exhibition or execution.